Good morning, YouTube. At least it's morning for me, so welcome back to Beck. Right now it says it's 17 degrees. One of the next things I gotta fix, Kia, brake lights don't work, turn signals in the rear don't work. So it's got an electrical issue. Still got the Mazda in the garage I'm working on. Brake lines and fuel line need replaced. I think I'm down to one section of brake line and I'll be done with it. One of these days we're going to get back into fixing trash panda there. But rather do any of that, we're going to go see MG Rob, because I haven't been there in a while and, well, it's cold.
I watched a British quiet on the set, man! Jesus, I had no...
So, guess we're going to mess with the Project Ginsu. Here we go.
Cutting these off somewhere, more than likely, and using square tubing to finish them off and go across the back. So I have like a crash bar here.
Gotcha.
Quiet on the set. Quiet on the set, yeah. So what we're going to work on today is try to figure out how to get this cross member actually attached to the front frame rails. I'm still working that out in my head at the moment, but we'll get it figured out.
Rob's camera set up to the left, so we'll be looking at it. Since this is his project, his shop, he'll be reintroducing me to the channel since I've been here before. In editing, I realized I should have set my camera up right under his. I'll also be posting a link to his video.
We actually worked together at a part-time job, and we were both in the military, but not together in the same unit. So we get along pretty well. We both have that military humor.
Dark. What you got going on?
Well, actually, let's start with this. I'm going to say for my people, we're just going to kind of explain the basic setup we're going to do with the suspension. It's going to be very similar to like a Mustang 2 type setup.
Rob goes into detail about his front end setup and suspension. The link to his video will be at the end of mine.
Before we figure out what that angle of the A-arm is going to be to get the camber gain we want.
Math.
Yes. But for mounting all this stuff, now we got Mike here and we're going to try to figure out exactly how we're going to get this so it's structurally as good as we can make it. Thinking that through as to which way would be the best way to weld it, both to the rail and to the cross member. Not just you know, for it to sit in there, but how can I weld it too? Get in position to weld it and get good penetration, all that crap.
Yep.
Not be standing on my head trying to weld in an odd position where I can't get a good weld.
Rob has no feeling in his hands.
Alright, see if my brake will bend this. If it's going to do it, I'll have to right here at the end. Let's try it. Well, that would fit. Just need to figure out it cuts this way.
Yeah.
Enough to be able to weld there. Alright, well, we'll see what we can make happen.
Rob's crotch is on fire.
There you go. Tack it together. Place to weld through there. And trim up the inside and make a piece for that.
Looks pretty good. It's factory.
Factory. Stick your tongue on while it's still red, it tastes like cherries.
Oh yeah? Go ahead and show me that.
So let's see. Once I do the other, it'll be fine. Now I just need a piece of metal over there. He's always got glass half empty. That's probably gonna work as soon as I bend it to fit. More than that. It's pretty close. Yeah, that'll work. Little gaps there are can usually be roller shell. Yeah.
Rob made one to match for the driver's side.
Like it's permeated with oil.
Yeah, it's old crusty
And
shit.
even though it's been blasted or cleaned and then everything, it's still just, you know, coming out.
Oh, gooder?
Yeah.
Want me to set the
Check
engine
out
in
what I
there?
forgot.
You what now?
I forgot, I had a weld I forgot to do before I put that in there. So, yeah. It'll be alright.
You can only break once.
Yeah. gonna take a picture of them ugly ass welds?
Before and after.
Oh.
Before grinding and after grinding.
And that side looked really bad because how much oil was created. Pinholes in there from the whatever oil is leaching out of the metal from years and years of oil leaks. So I'll have to go back and do some more welding and grinding. That's going to have to be long enough to come out here. I have to figure the caster, find the center line of the ball joint. Back spacing,
Yeah.
or potentially an inch deeper. And then I'll be coming out 2 inches more, 2 inches further wider than the BMW was on either side.
Well, that's pretty much going to be a video. I had ended up taking off, and Rob was at a point where he was pretty much done for the night. So that's all I got. Hopefully I'll get back over there sometime soon, coming up. Thanks for watching.